We are doing a clinic management system. So let's get in right away. So we have patients. Let's create a new one. Let's name him test one, gender male, date of birth. This is automatically filled of today. Let me just say he's born in 25, 2005. Okay, blood type A. We save that and we sort by code and see on the latest code. This one is male test one, blood type A. We can edit it. Let's say his name is test two now. Back and then we can see it's reflected test two, and we can of course delete this. Now for the doctor, same story. Let's name test one, male test, department, just anything. Just to demonstrate the system that it works. And you can see here, it's over here now to show that it works. It test two. We can delete, of course. Now I'll save visit for later. Now let's get into medicine. This is all similar. It's all just a simple form. Let's name it test two. Okay, cost let's say $300. Save this, and it's affected over here. Now delete treatment test two. Now too bad. I kind of messed it up, but yeah, just to show that the system works. Let's up the cost to 232 baht, and it does work. We can also sort by other things like this is A B C D. This is by treatment name. This is by cost ascending descending. Medical conditions. Let's a test. I'm not gonna write any description. Well, I guess I should. Test, and it does work. Let me delete that. Run new feeds. Okay, a new feed. Now I think I'm gonna keep this one just to demonstrate to you that like this thing actually work in. It does show up in the database. So you'll see later in visit. So department, I guess new department test, test. It does show up. Test two. It does update. Okay, delete that. Okay, now for the visit, we of course we can see all of the visit or visit code, so a visit code or type. Now let's create a new visit. Let's get John Doe. Let's say okay, this is automatically filled. Let's say he weighed 80, 180, temperature 40. Let's say he got a very high fever, very high fever. Okay, save that. We can see doctor analysis been built. Let's add a new doctor to him. That's the point. This doctor and this doctor, and save. Of course, it's show up, and then we let's say remove that. Yeah, we can remove that. Let's diagnose with say influenza. He may be influenza and early artery disease. We can remove that. Treatment, let's treat him with say acupuncture and add and then something that actually makes sense with like say immunotherapy. We can search, of course. I haven't been searched this time, but we use the same model anyway, just to prove that order can search. You can see immunotherapy and of course we can remove. I mean, well, I didn't say there's a radiation therapy, and of course we can remove it. And for the prescription, let's give him say Tylenol. Let's give him two and take twice daily, 2 capsules per meal. And add that, save. Of course, it does show up. Let's add something nonsense, and then we can remove it to show. Now, okay, now this is the bill. We generate a bill, and then we add fee into it. Let's say the test fee we created earlier, and here we can see there's a test fee, and now there's a 10,000 due. So let's pay 10,000 in cash, record payment, and there we got only 200 all right now, and but that's it. Now back to the visit. Now you can see all of the things are locked now because well it's a transaction. You cannot go back and modify it, and same goes for this. You cannot go back and modify and edit this. That's all.
The first one is list of all patents. You can filter the patent by gender or blood type. So for example, I select male and O positive and click run. It's gonna display only male patients with O positive blood type. The second one, you can find all patients treated by a specific doctor. So you enter the doctor code here and then select the date. So for example, 2025 to 2026. And then when you click run, it's gonna display the patent code and information that associate with the doctor. The last one, you can identify the patient that visit more often. So you can select the date. So I select 2025 to 2026, and you can set the top end as well. So if you want top 10, just insert 10 and click run. It's gonna rank the patent by the number of visits and shows the visit count as well.
Hello, for my part about diagnosis report. We do have diagnosis record that can filter by from date to date, medical condition code, and patient code like this, or patient code like this, and also can filter by date like this. And we also have list of all diagnosis by chart that can filter by chart code and from date. So we can see two of them, and we also can filter it by date. Right here, and we also have most common medical problem filtered by date and top end, which mean top frequency of occurrence. So like if I change to 15, it shows 15 list of them, and also can filter it by date like here.
My section calls the medicine and prescription reports. There are three of them. Click list of all medicine. The first one, list of all medicine in the system. You can filter by medicine type, such as antibiotic or analgesic. Select a Thailand. Click list of prescription per patient. The second one shows medicine prescribed to each patient. Filter by date range and patient ID. Enter PAT0071 and you will see that patient complete prescription history. Click most commonly prescribed medicine. The last one is an analysis report that finds the top and most frequently prescribed medicine within a select time period. Sort in descending order. Run. You can see that Angola and Tylenol are prescribed most often. 5 times each. This data can be used for actually inventory planning. It tells you which medicine you should keep in stock. Behind the scene, all the report pull from a real database by joining the prescription table with the visit table. The analysis report add a group by all medicine and account of occurrence. Thank you.
Shudipon Suban and this is my pilot report. First, we have list of all the service, list all the doctor in the database. We can go filter with male, we see all male doctor. We go female, we see for female doctor. Go other, we don't see anyone because we don't have other gender doctor yet. We go general practice, in the department we see doctor from general practice. Go dental clinic, we see doctor from dental clinic. We go pharmacy, we see doctor from the pharmacy department. And if we go male here, we don't see anyone because we only have female doctor in pharmacy. Next is period doctor appointed for a specific patient. If we go patient 006 here, we see only one doctor appointed to patient 06 during one visit. If we go patient 007 here, we see many doctors from various visits. If we go January 2025 to June 2026 here, it only show the doctor appointed to patient 007 from this period of time. And then we have the last one is most commonly appointed doctor. It shows the highest to lowest appointment for doctor. We can go top 10, we can go top 5, and then we can go January 2025 to June 2026. We can go top 5, we can go top 10. Thank you.
My part is the visit report section. There are 3 reports. First, list of all visits. This report shows all visits within the selected date range. We can filter by date and doctor ID to see which visits were handled by a specific doctor. For example, I will enter doc 001 and click run. Second, list of all visited patients. This report shows patients who visited the hospital during the selected period. It displays patient information, visit type, and visit date. We can filter by OPD or IPD. For example, I will select IPD and click run. Third, among of each visit type, this is an analysis report that compare the number of OPD and IPD visits by month. It helps us see trends such as which month have more patients and the ratio of outpatient to inpatient. This information can be used for staff and bed planning. Behind the scene, our report use real data from the visit table. The analysis report group data by month and count each visit type using SQL function. Thank you.
Okay, so for my part of report, so this one basically what it does. So if you say, it will open the bill straight away from just a bill number. Now this is listable bills. You can sort from say patient 006, and it will show patient 006 on this bill. Have this bill over here, and also we can sort. Let's say 2024 to 2025. In the report, we just show all the bills from 2024 to 2025, and it's also the same thing. It basically is a revenue all gathered from a set date. So this is 2024 to 2025. You can see treatment only this amount, only this amount, and only this amount, which is say different from all time.